All right, hands up. Whose relationship survived the snore wars? Get ready to settle the debate. Let's have it. Is snoring actually grounds for a breakup? 1 minute, you're all loved up. Next minute, your other half's rattling the windows and you're Googling soundproof pillow. We want to know, have you ever threatened the sofa over a midnight snore fest? Or is it true love if you just suffer through it? Tag your partner right now and let the battle begin. This is Fight Club Couples Edition, where love meets laughter. Hit follow and check out fightclubcouplesedition.shop for gifts that prove you survived.